Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix DeepBrain AI login problems, subscription errors step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the DeepBrain AI login page. Enter your registered email address and password in the respective fields. Click the login button and observe if any error messages appear. If you encounter a subscription error, check your subscription status. Log into your account and go to the billing section to verify your subscription details. Ensure that your payment method is up to date and there are no payment issues. If you have an expired subscription, consider renewing it to regain access. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can often resolve any temporary issues with the login page. Once you have cleared your cache, refresh the login page and attempt to log in again. If the problem persists, try using a different web browser or device. Sometimes, specific browsers may have compatibility issues with the website. You may also want to disable any browser extensions that could interfere with the. If you continue to experience troubles, check DeepBrain AI's official social media pages for any service disruptions. You can also reach out to their customer support team for assistance. Provide them with as much detail as possible about the error you are experiencing. They may provide tailored solutions to your specific issue. Lastly, ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. Weak or unstable connections can lead to login and subscription errors. Following these steps should help you resolve any DeepBrain AI login problems. Persist until you successfully regain access and enjoy using the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.